If you go back 15 to 20 years ago, these technologies didn't exist at all. Utilities really had to manage their pipe system by tracking main breaks where they're happening. At that point, it's really too late already.
This water main break impacted about 300,000 people. We were already doing condition assessments on other assets in the system, but our transmission system, of course, is the hardest one. People can understand that if you're looking at your system and you know what kind of condition your system is in, and you're offering to spend some money now in order to prevent the emergencies tomorrow, they can get on board with that, especially when you can show them exactly what you're doing in order to protect the system.
If we can manage the pipeline that we have and mitigate any risks that we identify through the use of these tools and the information that's gathered, that will put us in a much better position going forward so that we hopefully aren't in that position again.
When you have a main break or two, it doesn't mean that the entire section of pipe needs to be replaced. Replacing 8 miles of this pipe could be $40 or $50 million of investment. But if we can find out which sections of pipe, which 20-foot sections of pipe are failing, and surgically remove and replace those in planned circumstances, what a significantly different investment has to be made for the benefit of our members.
If we can go out, identify the 4% of damage on the pipe, and help the utility implement repairs of those pipelines, they can ensure the safety of the pipeline for much less cost than replacing it.
A water utility has a bunch of competing interests. They have a bunch of projects that need to be done. A pipe failure or replacing a large stretch of pipe takes dollars from something else. So the ability to save money here and do this in a financially responsible way allows them to take that money and put it on another competing project that's also very important to the overall mission.
This is a wonderful way for us to really get a good assessment of the condition of this pipe and know if we have other things to address before we can get redundancy built. And certainly, emergency repairs are much more expensive than those that we can predict and take care of in advance. And we're hoping that this technology is going to absolutely help us do that.